As I speak with a lot of our clients, one of the questions and one of the, I call it a myth that we hear over and over and over is that on social media, the algorithms are trying to stop us, that the algorithms want to limit our ability to reach more people and to increase views and build our brand. So there is some kind of resentment towards the algorithms, but this is not true. If the algorithms were actually out to stop us and force us to pay for advertisement to expand our reach, extend our reach, and increase our visibility, then no one would ever go viral. Think about it. Now, the purpose of the algorithms, what do the algorithm actually care about? Take Facebook algorithm or even Instagram or YouTube and any of those. What they care about is user retention. What does user retention mean? Your ability to capture the attention of the users. Stop them from scrolling. For those first 1 to 2 seconds, stop them from scrolling past your content. And there are techniques for that. For instance, the choice of your headline, the title of your post, of your content, the image. Stop them from scrolling past your content. And the next critical phase after that is retain them, keep them longer on your content. And in order for you to achieve that, you must be able to offer the right visuals, the right headlines, and the right content. You must offer the content that people are looking for. The longer people spend on the platform, the more ads that social media platforms are able to serve, and therefore, the more revenue. So you understand that in order for you to succeed, you need to make the algorithms your friend. Work with the algorithm. Understand what the algorithms are looking for. We have approximately 5 billion people on social media today. And we all pushing all together approximately 200 billion messages on social media every day. That's a lot of messages. Compared to in the past, there were not as many messages, and therefore it was easy for you to gain visibility even with poor quality content. People didn't have all these options. But today the options are many. And so the algorithms have an abundance of content to choose from. So they are favoring content that can hold the attention of the widest audience. So we're talking about gaining influence on social media, growing an audience, getting their attention, more engagement, clicks, etc., comments, and shares. Your ability to generate those things is critical to your success on social media. So stop blaming the algorithms. Make the algorithms your friend. Step number 1, grab the attention. Your content must be able to stop people in the first place from scrolling. And then when they stop, give them something that meets their needs, something that captures their imagination, something that answers the questions that they have, that helps them solve the problems that they are facing. So your content, as I always say, needs to include an element of logic into it, an element of humor, and be able to stimulate the emotions of the people. if you can strike that combination in the right balance, then the algorithms will work for you. And in order to achieve this, at Muumba Web Digital, we're conducting a lot of experiments, a lot of combinations of different types of presentations, contents and styles and headlines and colors and stuff like that, images. And through experimentations, you see, that is a key, testing, experimenting. That's another key of success in marketing in 2023 and beyond. Your ability to conduct experimentations and then capture the insights and draw conclusions out of it. Make the algorithms your friends, okay? So the algorithms are not your enemy. If you're not doing well on social media today, don't stop blaming the algorithms. If you're not doing well on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, stop blaming the algorithms. The algorithms are your friend. Work with them.